The government has announced the roadmap for the green transformation of public buses and taxis in Hong Kong. It will financially assist public transport operators and vehicle owners to purchase electric buses and taxis as part of its plan. Authorities plan to achieve zero vehicular emissions by 2050. Timothy Lee reports.
Currently, emissions from public transport vehicles such as buses and taxis reach 1.4 million tons per year, or about 4% of the entire city's emissions. The Environment and Ecology Bureau has announced its plan to promote the green transformation of public transport, which aims to get all franchised buses and taxis to reach zero vehicular emission within 25 years. Starting this year, the government began offering financial assistance to franchise bus operators to buy 600 electric buses. Authorities will offer $400,000 and $800,000 for the purchase of a single-decker bus and double-decker bus respectively, or around 25% of the total cost of the vehicles. To take advantage of the measure, public transport operators must place their orders before the end of 2027. Authorities said they have no intention to financially support non-franchise bus operators. Space for electric bus charging stations will also be reserved for future public transport interchanges. The government will also support taxi drivers to purchase 3,000 electric taxis, with $45,000 for each vehicle. That's around 10 to 25% of the cost of an electric taxi. Taxi operators must then purchase the electric vehicles within half a year after receiving the payments. Authorities plan to install 500 more high-speed charging stations across the city by the end of 2027, as well as modifying petrol stations to provide more charging stations. Secretary for Environment and Ecology, Wan, said the government has faith that the zero-emission target could be reached, noting that EV technology has matured and more models are now available. However, some taxi drivers said there is a serious shortage of charging stations. They are concerned that the demand is unlikely to be met even after adding more charging facilities. Timothy Lee, TVB News.